Dior. Dior. Wow. She's having fun. She's enjoying.
She's having the time of her life right now. Oh my God.
Oh. Dior.
No. Babe, don't let her eat that.
Dior, come. Come on. Whoa. Don't come. Hey. Oh.
Baby, you gotta be careful. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Well, she hit her face again? Face first? No biting. No. Come. Hey.
She's so happy.
Yeah.
She didn't even know what to do. Watch, later on she's gonna be tired.
Hey, what are you doing?
Mama, you a happy doggy. I love it.
Hey, Dior. Huh. Oh. Come on, Dior. Come on, Dior. Hey. Hey, Dior. What are you doing? Oh. Teething. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. You can make it up. Yep. Come on. Come on. Don't give up. Come on. Dior. Hey. Little puppy. Come. Let me help you. Come. Make it right up. Look. Hey. Dior. No. Dior. Oh. Got your little formula here. You come back up? Come, baby. Come, baby. Come. Hey, let me help you. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, my God. Oh, you got me. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Ow. All right. We're good? We're good. Come on. Come. Dior. Drink your formula. How you got down there, huh? Whoop. Come this way. It's shorter. You can make it. Yeah, you made it. Yeah, so she's 1.5 months old. About to be 2 months in a few weeks. She's loving her formula. Yeah, if you have a puppy, make sure she has her formula if she's less than 3 months old. This is a red nose mixed with a blue nose Pitbull puppy. Her name is Dior. Hazel Dior. She has hazel eyes. Look at my baby. Yeah, guys. She's pretty cool. At first, she was like scared and all to herself. She was sleeping a lot. Now she's just happy. Happy dog. drink and use the bathroom outside, because she does use the bathroom a lot inside. So I'm trying to get her used to using the bathroom outside, doing potty outside. Hey, no biting. Dior. Dior. What are you doing? Oh, you jumped. That was a good jump. Usually you fall on your face when you jump. Dior, what are you doing? Hope she uses the bathroom soon. Up. Can you make it up? You need help? Let me help you. Come on. Come on. Whoop, there you go. Oh, but she don't want no more. Oh. Yes, she's finally using the bathroom. Yay. That saves a lot of work. Dior. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. You come up here? Yo, you made it up here. Everything I ever wanted in the puppy. Watching you like Animal Planet. I'll give you guys more updates on Dior soon. She's a very nice puppy. I love her. Little doggy. There you go. Nice puppy. Keep you guys updated. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, dislike button, whatever. It's something. And thank you guys for watching. Appreciate that. And you'll see some more videos coming soon. Hey! No. No. Come here.